Good morning to one and all. Very happy welcome to the Vani ITI. I'm very happy to share with the knowledge through the online platforms. Myself, Srinivas Darapalli. I'm the one of the electrician instructor. Today I would like to explain about the basics of electricals. Voltage. Voltage is nothing but a force which is caused to move the electrons one place to another place. In the figure, we can clearly observe that a force applied on some electrons, those are flows through that wire or conductor particular direction. Voltage can be called as electromotive force. So here voltage was through of an electrical force pushing charges through the conductors. The larger voltage difference in the large force. So in the another figure we can easily find the relation between that four voltage and current. Whenever the voltage is increases, automatically current also increases. So nothing but pressure increases, the flow of water increases. Whenever voltage is zero, then there is more the current. So in the figure 2 we can observe easily what is that voltage current relations. Next one, electric current. In this circuit from the source and nothing but battery, the electrons flows through the load. Here load is bulb, light bulb. So the electrons flows through that wire, through that load, then automatically return path to the plus terminals. So the movement of electrons source to load we can call as the current. We can easily find this figure. So the flow of electrons is nothing but current, which is measured in amperes. The depending upon direction, the current is can be classified into two types: direct current and alternating current. Direct current means electrons flows in only one direction. Alternating current flows keeps switching the directions. And nothing but the direction always is alternate. Alternate means change the directions frequently. So next one, resistance, which is also important parameter in electrical circuits. The resistance is the property of the material which is always oppose the flow of current in electrical circuits. It is measured in ohms, which is measured by that ohm meter. The very important parameter, the resistance. So these T, voltage, current, resistance are very important topics of electricians in basics. Thank you for watching. If any doubts and queries, ask in comment section. Thank you.